So when we look at mass notification at Loma University Health, this is a process that started about 10 years ago, and this is when I was working on the university side. I identified that we had some needs for notification of individuals in disasters through much of the committee work I was doing at the time on emergency management for our campus side. And the goal was to bring a mechanism to notify all of our students and our faculty and staff should we have an emergency or disaster, such as an active shooter or a bomb threat or a hazardous materials spill. One of the things I forgot to mention on the slide before is we actually have, on the northern border of our campus, main campus, we have the major east-west rail line between Los Angeles and Florida. And so we have thousands of tons of hazardous materials that are passing by us every day through the rail system there, as well as also on Interstate 10, which is about 1 mile north of our facility, our main campus. So given some of the local hazards we have, everything from being close to the city of San Bernardino, which has had some of the worst crime statistics throughout in the nation, we have our hazardous materials exposure to the rail lines and the major highway on Interstate 10, and just all the other myriad of things that many of you are familiar with that are potential threats to either healthcare facilities or to educational facilities. We really had the desire to be able to send out a message quickly. So we started that process about 10 years ago, and we ended up liking the solution so much that our administrator said, you know what, this isn't just an educational responsibility, this is an institution-wide responsibility. And so that was really just the tip of the iceberg as we started to understand what it meant to send out messages to a large population. With that goal of sending out one message, we started with the university. It reached out to the medical entities, and then as we started to look at how our campus is very open and we have a lot of different people on our campus, we also recognized we needed to be able